वह लड़का अजीब लग रहा है। That boy is looking strange. That boy is looking strange. क्या लगते हो तुम मेरे? What are you to me? क्या लगते हो तुम मेरे? What are you to me? कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है चिल्लाने की। There is no need to shout. There is no need to shout. ये लड़कियों वाले जूते हैं। These are girly shoes. These are girly shoes. यह तुम्हारे लायक नहीं है। This is not suitable for you. This is not suitable for you. वह अब रोने वाला है। He is about to weep now. He is about to weep now. हमेशा बड़ों का सम्मान करे। Always respect elders. Always respect elders. खामखा तुमने मुझे डरा दिया। You scared me unnecessarily. You scared me unnecessarily. इसी बहाने तुम आ जाना। You come on this pretext. You come on this pretext. अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो। Concentrate on your studies. Concentrate on your studies. यह तुम्हारे चक्कर में हुआ है। It has happened because of you. It has happened because of you. वह सिर्फ कहने के लिए दोस्त है। He is just a so-called friend. He is just a so-called friend. मुझे चावल से ज़्यादा रोटी पसंद है। I prefer chapati more than rice. I prefer chapati more than rice. वह मेरा शुभ चिंतक है। He is my well-wisher. He is my well-wisher. उसे अकेले संभालना बहुत मुश्किल है। It's very difficult to handle her alone. It's very difficult to handle her alone. ये इन्हीं के लाड प्यार का नतीजा है। This is the result of his pampering. This is the result of his pampering. ये सारी बातें आपको कैसे मालूम? How do you know all these things? How do you know all these things? मेरे आने तक कुछ मत खाना। Don't eat anything until I come. Don't eat anything until I come. शायद आपको कोई बुला रहा है। Perhaps someone is calling you. Perhaps someone is calling you. पहले मैं खाना खाऊंगा और फिर काम पर जाऊंगा। First, I will have food and then go to work. First, I will have food and then go to work. वो जगह से बहुत ही ज़्यादा दूर है। That place is way too far from here. That place is way too far from here. क्या आपको बाइक चलानी नहीं आती? Don't you know how to ride a bike? Don't you know how to ride a bike? वह काली गाड़ी खरीद रहा है। He is buying a black car. He is buying a black car. दूध फट गया है। The milk has curdled. दूध फट गया है। The milk has curdled. वह दिन रात पढ़ता है। He reads day and night. He reads day and night. यह नोट फटा हुआ है। This note is torn. यह नोट फटा हुआ है। This note is torn. मेरा दोस्त गलत फहमी में है। My friend is in misconception. My friend is in misconception. वह बहुत जालसाज आदमी है। He is very deceitful man. He is very deceitful man. वह बहुत चिड़चिड़ा है। He is very short-tempered man. He is very short-tempered man. वह अभी भी गुस्से में है. He is still angry. He is still angry. मुझे लगता है अब मुझे निकलना चाहिए. I think I should leave now. I think I should leave now. तुम बहुत समझदार हो. You are very sensible. You are very sensible. क्योंकि मेरे ऊपर जिम्मेदारियां हैं. Because I have responsibilities. Because I have responsibilities. गाना गाने का अपना ही मजा है. Singing songs has its own feel. मैं हर बात में मजाक नहीं करना चाहता. I don't want to joke about everything. I don't want to joke about everything. तुम सचमुच बहुत अलग हो. You are really very different. You are really very different. तुम अब तक उनसे नहीं मिले क्या? Didn't you meet him yet? Didn't you meet him yet? हम उसके भरोसे बैठ नहीं सकते. We can't depend on him to help. We can't depend on him to help. यह ग्लास झूठा है. This is a used glass. यह ग्लास झूठा है. This is a used glass. दिल पर मत लो. Don't take it to your heart. दिल पर मत लो. Don't take it to your heart. वहाँ तक जाओ. Go up to that point. वहाँ तक जाओ. Go up to that point. वह कोई ऐरा गैरा नहीं है. He is not Dick and Harry. He is not Dick and Harry. क्या तुम इसका परिणाम जानते हो? Do you know its consequences? Do you know its consequences? वह ऐसे चल रहा था जैसे कि वह शराबी हो. He was walking as if he were drunkard. He was walking as if he were drunkard. उसका प्रदर्शन उम्मीद के मुताबिक नहीं है. His performance is not up to the mark. His performance is not up to the mark. तुम जो भी कहते हो वह हमेशा भरोसा कर लेता है. Whatever you say, he always believes. Whatever you say, he always believes. मेरा दोस्त गलत फहमी में है. My friend is in misconception. My friend is in misconception. वो बड़ी बुरी हालत में है. He is in a bad state. He is in a bad state. वह बहुत जालसाज आदमी है. He is very deceitful man. He is very deceitful man. वह बहुत शक्की मिजाज आदमी है. He is very suspicious man. He is very suspicious man. वह बहुत खुश मिजाज आदमी है. He is very jovial man. He is very jovial man. मैं आपको परेशान नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you. अगर बर्फ पिघलेगी तो पानी बन जाएगी. If ice melts, it becomes water. If ice melts, it becomes water. क्या हम लोग अंदर आ सकते हैं? May we come inside? May we come inside? और उसको दुनियादारी की समझ नहीं है. And she don't yet understand the worldness. And she don't yet understand the worldness. ठीक है, इसके लिए मैं अपने भाई से बात कर लूँगी. Okay, for this I will talk to my brother. Okay, for this I will talk to my brother. अंग्रेजी बोलने का अपना ही मजा है. Speaking English has its own feel. Speaking English has its own feel. क्योंकि आपका छाता अभी भी मेरे कार में है. Because your umbrella is still in my car. Because your umbrella is still in my car. तुम सचमुच बहुत अलग हो. You are really very different. You are really very different. तुम अब तक उनसे नहीं मिले क्या? Didn't you meet him yet? Didn't you meet him yet? हम उसके भरोसे बैठ नहीं सकते. We can't depend on him to help. We can't depend on him to help. आपके फ़ोन के बाहर भी एक दुनिया है. There is a world outside your phone too. There is a world outside your phone too. शायद कोई दस्तक दे रहा है. Maybe someone is knocking. Maybe someone is knocking. मैं अपने कपड़े बालकनी पर कभी नहीं सुखाता. I never dry my clothes on the balcony. I never dry my clothes on the balcony. धीरे से दरवाजा खटखटाओ. Knock on the door gently. Knock on the door gently. शर्ट पर दाग कैसे लग गया? How did the shirt get stained? How did the shirt get stained? बिस्तर पर कपड़े मत फैलाओ. Don't spread clothes on the bed. Don't spread clothes on the bed. आज मैं वजह बताऊंगा. I will tell the reason today. I will tell the reason today. तुम तुरंत घर आ जाओ. You come home immediately. You come home immediately. मेरे साथ दोबारा ऐसा मत करना. Don't do this to me again. Don't do this to me again. आपको तो कुछ भी नहीं आता. You don't know anything. You don't know anything. मैंने इसके बारे में कभी सोचा ही नहीं. I never thought about it. I never thought about it. मैं ये बात कभी नहीं भूलूंगा. I will never forget that. I will never forget that. ये जगह बिल्कुल साफ है. This place is perfectly clean. This place is perfectly clean. लेकिन मैं तो देखने के लिए आई हूँ. But I have come to see. But I have come to see. चलो उस कमरे में चलते हैं. Let's go into that room. Let's go into that room. मगर वो यहीं रहेगी. But she will stay here. But she will stay here. लेकिन मैं यहाँ से जाने के लिए नहीं आया हूँ. But I haven't come here to leave. But I haven't come here to leave. तुमने सारा मज़ा खराब कर दिया. You spoil all the fun. You spoil all the fun. खर्चे दिन ब दिन बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. The expenses are increasing day by day. The expenses are increasing day by day. मेरी किस्मत दूसरी तरफ है. My luck is on the other side. My luck is on the other side. ऐसा किसी को नहीं लगता है. Nobody thinks like this. Nobody thinks like this. कल से आने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. No need to come from tomorrow. No need to come from tomorrow. तुम्हें मेरी काबिलियत पर शक है? Do you doubt my abilities? Do you doubt my abilities? क्या तुम अपना वादा निभा पाओगे? Will you be able to fulfill your promise? Will you be able to fulfill your promise? सबसे पहले खुद पर खूब मेहनत करो. First of all, work hard on yourself a lot. First of all, work hard on yourself a lot. वो घोड़े बेचकर सो रहा होगा. He is having a sound sleep. He is having a sound sleep. उससे बात करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. It is no use talking to him. It is no use talking to him. ताली दोनों हाथों से बजती है. It takes two to make a quarrel. It takes two to make a quarrel. तुम्हारे बस की बात नहीं है. This can't be done by you. This can't be done by you. तुम्हारी तो नाक बह रही है. You have a runny nose. You have a runny nose. मेरा कुछ करने का मन नहीं कर रहा है. I don't feel like doing anything. I don't feel like doing anything. मुझे सोने से पहले ध्यान करना पसंद है. I like to meditate before bed. मुझे यकीन नहीं है कि कौन सा विकल्प चुनना है. I am not sure which option to choose. I am not sure which option to choose. मैं सुबह उठने वाला व्यक्ति नहीं हूँ. I am not a morning person. I am not a morning person. मुझे अपना पासपोर्ट नवीनीकृत कराना है. I need to renew my passport. I need to renew my passport. मैं सप्ताहांत के लिए इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता. I can't wait for the weekend. I can't wait for the weekend. मुझे अपनी कार धोने की ज़रूरत है. I need to get my car washed. I need to get my car washed. मस्का लगाना तो कोई तुमसे सीखे. One should learn buttering up from you. One should learn buttering up from you. शुक्र मनाओ हमें कुछ नहीं है. Be grateful that nothing happened to us. शुक्र मनाओ हमें कुछ नहीं है. Be grateful that nothing happened to us. मैं पुराने गानों का दीवाना हूँ. I am crazy about old songs. I am crazy about old songs. बाहर का खाना कम कर दो. Cut down on fast food. Cut down on fast food. मैंने वही तो उस अजनबी को देखा था. That's where I had seen that stranger. That's where I had seen that stranger. इस तरह का आदमी घमंडी होता है. Such a man is arrogant. Such a man is arrogant. इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए सबसे ज़रूरी क्या है? What matters the most to learn English? What matters the most to learn English? उसे चापलूसी नहीं करनी चाहिए. He should not flatter. He should not flatter. धीरे धीरे सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. Gradually everything will be fine. Gradually everything will be fine. तुम ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा बोल रहे हो. You are speaking more than enough. You are speaking more than enough. मुझे नई नौकरी की तलाश है. I am looking for a new job. I am looking for a new job. आपकी छुट्टियां कैसी थी? How was your vacation? How was your vacation? क्या आप खेल देखना पसंद करते हैं? Do you like to watch sports? Do you like to watch sports? मैं सप्ताहांत को लेकर उत्साहित हूँ। आई एम एक्साइटेड अबाउट द वीकेंड। आई एम एक्साइटेड अबाउट द वीकेंड। मुझे नहीं पता कि पार्टी में क्या पहनूं। आई एम नॉट श्योर वॉट टू वेयर टू द पार्टी। आई एम नॉट श्योर वॉट टू वेयर टू द पार्टी। क्या आपके पास मेरे लिए कोई सवाल है? डू यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस फॉर मी? डू यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस फॉर मी? क्या मैं विंडो सीट पर बैठ सकता हूँ? कैन आई सिट इन द विंडो सीट? कैन आई सिट इन द विंडो सीट? तुम्हारी कॉल का जवाब नहीं दिया। आई डिडंट आंसर योर कॉल। आई डिडंट आंसर योर कॉल। क्या मेरा सपना सच होगा? विल माई ड्रीम कम ट्रू? क्या मेरा सपना सच होगा? विल माई ड्रीम कम ट्रू? तुम्हें उससे क्या लेना देना? हाउ डज दैट मैटर टू यू? हाउ डज दैट मैटर टू यू? क्या खाने के लिए और कुछ अच्छा नहीं है? Isn't there anything better to eat? Isn't there anything better to eat? बाकी सब ठीक है। Rest everything is fine. बाकी सब ठीक है। Rest everything is fine. मैं दौलत का भूखा नहीं हूँ। I am not after money. I am not after money. तुम अपने बारे में बिल्कुल लापरवाह हो। You are quite careless about yourself. You are quite careless about yourself. यह ट्रीट मेरी तरफ से। This treat is on me. यह ट्रीट मेरी तरफ से। This treat is on me. क्या हुआ? क्या कहा उसने? What happened? What did he say? What happened? What did he say? दादाजी कुछ ऊंचा सुनते हैं। Grandfather is hard of hearing. Grandfather is hard of hearing. तुम सफलता के नशे में चूर हो। You are drunk with success. You are drunk with success. मेरा ऐसा इरादा नहीं था। Such was not my intention at all. Such was not my intention at all. मैं तुम्हें परिवार से बढ़कर मानता हूँ। I consider you more than family. I consider you more than family. मैं किसी से आँख नहीं मिला पा रही थी। I was not able to face anybody. I was not able to face anybody. यहाँ माहौल बहुत गर्म है। Here the situation is pretty heated up. Here the situation is pretty heated up. इसका अपना ही मजा है। It has the feel of its own. It has the feel of its own. मैं फीका दूध पीता हूँ। I take unsweetened milk. I take unsweetened milk. वो दिन में 4 दफ़ा यही करती है। She does this 4 times a day. She does this 4 times a day. आपका बेटा बड़ा चुलबुला है। Your son is really playful. Your son is really playful. यह कोई ऐसे वैसे लोग नहीं हैं। They are not just ordinary people. They are not just ordinary people. मैंने उसे पहली दफ़ा देखा। I saw her for the first time. I saw her for the first time. ये नकली सिक्का है। This is counterfeit coin. This is counterfeit coin. दीवार में दरार है। There is a crack in the wall. There is a crack in the wall. ये नकली दांत है। These are artificial teeth. या फिर कह सकते हैं These are false teeth. These are artificial teeth. वो हम दोनों के बीच दरार डालने की कोशिश कर रहा है। He is trying to create rift between us. He is trying to create rift between us. ये नकली नोट है. This is counterfeit note. ये नकली नोट है. This is counterfeit note. कभी यहाँ पर एक स्कूल था. Here was a school once. Here was a school once. आपकी खोई हुई घड़ी यहाँ है. Here is your lost watch. Here is your lost watch. यह लो अपनी पुस्तक. Here is your books. यह लो अपनी पुस्तक. Here is your books. तुम्हारा भाई यहाँ आ गया. Your brother came here. Your brother came here. ठीक है, कुछ मिनट बात करते हैं. Okay, let's talk for a few minutes. Okay, let's talk for a few minutes. तुम किस कॉलेज में पढ़ते हो? In which college do you study? In which college do you study? आज छुट्टी का दिन है. Today is a holiday. आज छुट्टी का दिन है. Today is a holiday. मुझे अखबार देना जरा. Please get me the newspaper. Please get me the newspaper. आपको अपना वादा याद है? Do you remember your promise? Do you remember your promise? उसने मेरा सिर नीचे कर दिया. He has brought me to shame. He has brought me to shame. वह घबराया सा लगता है. He looks rather nervous. He looks rather nervous. देखे वह कितने पानी में है. Let's see where he stands. Let's see where he stands. मेरा सिर चक्कर खा रहा है. My mind is reeling. मेरा सिर चक्कर खा रहा है. My mind is reeling. मैं आकाश पाताल एक कर दूंगा. I will move heaven and earth. I will move heaven and earth. तुम उससे नहीं सक पाओगे. You will not be able to deal with him. You will not be able to deal with him. उसे कुछ कम खाना चाहिए. He should eat a little less. He should eat a little less. इस नल में पानी नहीं है. There is no water in this tap. There is no water in this tap. इस क्लास में 50 लड़के हैं. There are 50 boys in this class. There are 50 boys in this class. मेज पर कोई पेन नहीं है. There is no pen on the table. There is no pen on the table. इसके बिना कोई चारा नहीं है. There is no help for it. There is no help for it. 5:20 हुए हैं. It is 20 past 5. It is 20 past 5. कल रात बादल छाए हुए थे. It was cloudy last night. It was cloudy last night. लगता है बारिश होने वाली है. I think it is about to rain. I think it is about to rain. मैंने वैसा ही किया जैसा मुझे कहा गया था. I did as I was told. I did as I was told. आप जो कहते हैं ठीक है. What you say is right. What you say is right. उसे लंबी चौड़ी बातें पसंद नहीं. He doesn't like tall talks. He doesn't like tall talks. तुम्हारी किस्मत तुम्हारे हाथ में है. Your fate is in your hand. Your fate is in your hand. आज शर्म से मेरा सिर झुक गया. Today my head hung in shame. Today my head hung in shame. ये काफी अच्छा लग रहा है. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. फिर क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Then what's the problem now? फिर क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Then what's the problem now? एक दिन का समय दो. Give me a day's time. एक दिन का समय दो. Give me a day's time.